Good morning, students. Students, we are doing the chapter Weather, Climate and Adaptations in Animals. In this chapter, we discussed about weather and its different elements, then climate and different climatic zones of India. And today I am going to explain adaptation, different types of adaptation, and then the adaptation in animals. Now, students, as you know that climate of a region affects all organisms living in it. With constant changes in their environment, food chain and climate, animals must adapt themselves to these changes, otherwise they will face extinction. Now, what is adaptation? Adaptation is a trait that makes an animal suited to its environment. It is the trait that enables the animal to live in its environment comfortably. It can be behavioral or structural. Now, I'm going to tell you some of the examples of behavioral adaptation and structural adaptation. Moving in large groups. Moving in large groups is a behavioral adaptation. It helps to protect the members of the group from predators. It helps to protect the members of the group from predators. Now, the thick fur coat of polar bear is a structural adaptation. It helps to protect it against the cold weather. Adaptations usually occur over a long period of time. Now, we will talk about the adaptations of animals living in polar regions and tropical rainforest. That means in this chapter we will discuss about the adaptations of living animals, animals living in polar regions and tropical rainforest. Now I am going to explain about some special features of the polar regions. Polar regions are the areas of the globe surrounding the poles, the North Pole and the South Pole. They are also known as frigid zones. These regions, resting respectively on the Arctic Ocean and the continent of Antarctica, are dominated by the polar ice caps. United States, Canada, Greenland, Sweden, Finland, Norway and Russia are some countries that have some of their parts in this region. These are the countries, some of the part of these countries lies in this region. Now, these regions are very cold. The coldest temperature ever known on earth, that is minus 89 degrees Celsius, was recorded in Antarctica. The average winter temperature in the Arctic is about minus 30 degrees Celsius. In winter, the seas surrounding Antarctica freezes into solid snow that covers an area almost as big as the continent itself. At the poles, the sun shines for half of the year and it is dark for the other half of the year. Polar bear, penguin, reindeer, seal, whale, and walrus are some animals found in such regions. Now, adaptation by animals of the polar region. Polar bears, which live in this region, have white fur so that they are not easily visible in the snowy white background. That means the white fur of polar bear helps it to hide itself in the snowy white background and protect it from the predators. The body temperature of polar bear, this is the second adaptation. The body temperature of polar bears, which is normally 37 degrees Celsius, is maintained through a thick layer of fur, a tough hide, and an insulating layer of blubber. These help to maintain the body temperature. This excellent insulation keeps a polar bear warm even when air temperatures drop to minus 37 degrees Celsius. Polar bears are so well insulated that they tend to get overheated. They move slowly and rest often to cool down on warm days or after physical activity. Polar bear can close its nostrils while swimming underwater. A polar bear's front paws propel it through water for swimming, and the hind feet and legs are held flat and are used as rudders. So these are the adaptation in polar bears which live in polar region. The thick white fur, the normal body temperature, the insulating layer of blubber, then they can close the nostrils while swimming. They have paws to propel it through water for swimming. These are the different adaptation in polar bears. Now another animal which is well adapted to the polar region is the penguin. Penguins have feathers that are extremely densely packed with no gaps between them. This gives them good protection against cold. Each feather has an extra part behind it so that they can fluff their feathers up. This keeps them warm in cold and allows them to cool off when the weather is warm. Now there are some other adaptation in penguins. They are penguins do not have air spaces in their bones as normal birds have. This helps them to sink in water. They have a layer of blubber, that is fat, beneath their skin which helps them to stay warm. A streamlined body and paddle-like feet help them to swim underwater. These are the different adaptations in penguins. We discussed the adaptation in polar bear and penguins, which are the animals of polar region. We will discuss about the tropical rainforest and the animals which live in these regions and their adaptation in next class. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.